listening to a DJ like no other. A DJ with a PhD in music selection.
King James.
Old pirates and their robbers sold out to the merchant ship. Minutes after they took high from the bottomless pit. But my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. Forward in this generation, triumphantly, all I ever had is songs of freedom. Won't you hear me sing sweet songs of freedom, redemption songs? Emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you have to sing these songs of freedom? Won't you have to sing redemption song, redemption song? Ooh, yeah. Why-yo, why-yo, why-yo. Feel it in the one drop, and we still find time to rap. Feel it in the one. Feel it in one drop. Feel it in the one drop, and we still find time to rap.
Stop! Not play for 15 minutes. Not play alone. Not play alone. Come again.
Feel it in the one drop, and we still find time to rap. We're making the one stop. The generation gap, so feel this from me as it meets within, playing a rhythm, resisting against the system. Ooh-wee. I know God never let us down. Will you right from wrong? I know God never let us down. Oh no, oh no, oh no. They made their world so hard. Every day we got to keep on fighting. They made their world so hard. Every day the people are dying. Yeah. For hunger and starvation. Lamentation. But read it in Revelation. You'll find your redemption. And then you give us the teachings of His Majesty. But we no want no devil philosophy. Or you can give us the teachings of His Majesty. But we no want no devil philosophy. Feel it in the one drop, and we still find time to rap. We're making the one stop, and we're filling the gap. So feel this drum beat as it beats within, playing a rhythm, fighting against isn't and isn't. I know just never let us.
Stand up for Sierra Leone's illest and baddest King James of King James Sounds.
I wanna love you in Mount Zion. It rules all creation. Yeah, we're jamming. Fuck Chihuahua, we're jamming. See, I wanna jam with you. We're jamming. We're jamming too. Buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta. It was a buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa, brought to America, fighting an arrival, fighting for survival. I mean it when I analyze the stench. To me it makes a lot of sense. Of the dreadlock rasta, oh, buffalo soldier, and he was taken from Africa, brought to America, fighting an arrival, fighting for survival. Said he was a buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta, buffalo soldier in the heart of America. If you know your history, then you would know where you're coming from. Then you wouldn't have to ask me who the heck you would think I am. And just a buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa, brought to America. Said he was fighting on arrival, fighting for survival. Said he was a buffalo soldier in the war for America. Said he, why yo yo, why yo yo yo, why yo yo. Yeah. Then he got a job to do, and he's got to do. Yeah. Then he got a job to do. Then he job. He's got to do. Yeah. Then he got a job to do, and he's got to fulfill that mission. Yeah. To see his earth will be their greatest ambition. Yeah. But we will survive in this world of competition. 'Cause no matter what they do, they keep on coming through. And no matter what they say, tragedy they every day. Natty dread rides again through the mystics of tomorrow. Natty dread rides again. Have no fear, have no sorrow.
DJ from Sierra Leone.
Every man got the right to decide his own destiny. And in this judgment there is no partiality. So arm in arms with arms, we'll fight this little struggle. 'Cause that's the only way we can overcome a little trouble. Brother, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're so right. We gon' fight, we'll have to fight, we gonna fight, fight for our rights. Not to trade it in a Zimbabwe, set it up in a Zimbabwe, mash it up in a Zimbabwe. Africans are liberate. Zimbabwe. No more internal power struggle. We come together to overcome the little trouble. Soon we'll find out who is the real revolutionary. 'Cause I don't want my people to be contrary. And brother, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're so right. We'll have to fight, we gonna fight, we'll have to fight, fighting for rights. Mash it up in a Zimbabwe, they trash it in a Zimbabwe. Africans are liberate Zimbabwe. I and I are liberate Zimbabwe. So right, yo. Easy skanker.
He goes by the name of King James.
Easy skanker. Easy skanker. Easy skanker. Excuse me while I light my spirit. Oh God, I got to take a lift. From reality, I just can't drift. That's why I'm staying with this riff. Take it easy, Lord, I take it easy. Take it easy, got to take it easy. See, we're taking it easy, we're taking it slow, taking it easy, got to take it slow. So take it easy, take it easy. Boy, you're not the Congo, I say that Congo high. Take it easy. Boy, you're not the Congo, a black man redemption. Oh, yo, a black man redemption. Oh, yo, no need to get jumped. No need, and no need to get bumped. And no need, and no need to get bumpy. No need to get bumpy. You to beat it. Cool running, can you dig it? Cool running, it's one more time I beg ya. Cool running, can you stop it? Cool running. Spread out. Spread out.
You are listening to a DJ
please, don't you rock my boat.
Yeah, it's none other than King James on the ones and twos. Better recognize.
Oh please, don't you rock my boat. Cause I don't want my boat to be rocking. Oh please, don't you rock my boat. No, no, cause I don't want my boat to be rocking. I'm telling you that, oh, 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 I like it like this. So keep it steady like this. And you should know by now. I like it like this. I like it like this. Ooh yeah. I'm my soul. Oh yeah. Them crazy. Them crazy. We gonna chase those crazy ballers out of town. Chase those crazy ballers out of a town. High and I build the cabin. High and I plant the corn. Didn't my people before me slave for this country? Now you look me with that scorn. Then you heat up all my corn. We gonna chase those crazy. Chase them crazy. Chase those crazy ballers out of town.
King James of King James Sounds.
Africa, unite. Africa, Africa, unite. 'Cause we're moving. Africa, unite. Moving out of Babylon. Right out of Babylon, and we're going to our father's land. Yeah, how good and how pleasant it would be before God and man. Yeah, to see the unification of all Africans. Yeah, has it been said already? Let it be done. Yeah. The children of the Rastaman. We are the children of the Higher Man. Africa unite, 'cause the children wanna come home. Yeah. Africa unite, 'cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're grooving to our father's land. How good and how said ready, let it be done. I tell you who we are under the sun. We are the children of the Rastaman. We are the children of the Africa unite. Africa unite.
Yeah, it's none other than King James on the ones and twos. Better recognize.
Zion train is coming our way. The Zion train is coming our way. Oh, people, get on board. You better get on board. Thank the Lord. Praise God. I got the train, got there's no other station. Baby, you're going in the same direction. Zion train is coming our way. The Zion train is coming our way. Which man can save his brother's soul? Save your brother's soul. Oh man, it's the self-control. Don't gain the war and lose your soul. Just don't lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver and gold. To the bridge. Oh, where there's a will, there's always a way. Where there's a will, there's always a way. Soul train is coming our way. Zion train is coming. But we to the Zion road. Sun is shining, the weather is sweet. Make you want to move your dancing feet to the rescue. Here I am. Want you to know, y'all, where I stand. Here I am. Want you to know just if you can where I stand. Tell myself a new day is rising. Get on the rise, a new day is dawning. Here I am. Want you to know just where I stand. When the morning gathers the rainbow, want you to know I'm a rainbow too. So to the rescue, here I am. Want you to
Stand
know
up
just if
for
you
Sierra
can.
Leone's illest and baddest station.
Bongo man, don't give up. Congo man, live up. Bingy man, don't give up. Keep Come and live up. Bingy man, don't give up. Come and live up. Yeah. Bongo man, don't give up. There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. This could be the first trumpet, might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer, many more will have to die. Don't ask me why. Things are not the way they used to be. I won't tell no lie. One and all got to face reality now. Though I try to find the answer to all the questions they ask, though I know it's impossible to go living through the past, don't tell no lie. There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. Can't keep him down. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. Check out the real situation.
All I'm pull on up from the top, I tell you, man.
Check out the real situation. Nation for nation. Check out the real situation. Check out the real situation. Check out the real situation. Nation war. Check out the real situation. Nation war, nation. Where did it all begin? When will it end? Well, it seemed like total destruction, the only solution. And there ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Ain't no use, nobody can stop them now. Give them an inch, they take a yard. Give them a yard, they take a mile. Once a man and twice a child, and everything is just for a while. It seemed like total destruction, the only solution. And there ain't no use, no one can stop them now. There ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Live if you wanna live. Rastaman vibration, yeah. Positive. That's what we got to give. I and I vibration, yeah. Positive. Got to have a good vibe. I am an iration, yeah. Irites. Whoa, whoa. Positive vibration, yeah. Positive. If you get down and you quarrel every day, you're saying prayers to the devils, I say. Oh, why not help one another on the way? Make it much easier.
Just a little bit easier.
Say you just can't live that negative way. If you know what I mean.
It's time for a music explosion with the hardest DJ, DJ King James.
Children, yeah. Jaja live. Children, yeah. Jah live. Children, yeah. Jaja live. Children, yeah. The truth is an offense, but not a sin. Is he who laugh last? Children, is he who wins? Is a foolish dog bark at a flying bird. One sheep must learn, children, to respect the shepherd. Children, yeah. Movement of the people. Oh yeah. Ever me tattle up and tell you this. Men and people will fight it down. Tell me why. When you see John like let me tell you, if you're not wrong, then why? Everything is alright. So we gonna walk alright through the roads of creation. We the generation. Tell me why. Try through great tribulations. Exodus. Alright. Movement of the people. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Exodus.
King James, the illest and baddest DJ from Sierra Leone.
Wake up and live, y'all. Wake up and live. Wake up and live now. Wake up and live. Life is one big road with lots of signs. So when you're riding through the ruts, don't you complicate your mind. Flee from hate, mischief and jealousy. And bury your thought, put your vision to reality. Yeah. All together now, wake up and live. Wake up and live. Wake up and wake up and live. Yeah. Wake up and wake up and live. Rise, the mighty people. Yeah. There's work to be done, so let's do it a little by a little. Rise from your sleepless slumber. Yes, 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 yes. She left the party.
Pull up, pull up. Hey, pull up, pull up, pull up.
King James of King James Sounds.
She left the party. Have a good time. She looks so hearty, feeling fine. She left the smoke, sometimes shifting cold. She'd be laughing when there ain't no joke. A pimper's paradise, that's all she pimp's paradise. That's all she was. Pimp's paradise. That's all she was. A pimp's paradise. That's all she was. Man to man is so unjust. Children, you don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend, your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you. Then behind them sus upon you. Only your friend know your secrets. So only he could reveal it. And who that cap fit, let them wear it. Who that cap fit, let them wear it. Said I throw me corn, in a call over. I say you clap, clap, clap. Play like some music, reggae music. Play like some music, reggae music. Root rock reggae, just a reggae music. Root rock reggae, just a reggae music. Hey, Mr. Music, you sure sound good to me. I can't refuse it. What to be, got to be. Feel like dancing, dance 'cause we are free. Feel like dancing, come dance with me. Roots rock reggae, this a reggae music. Root rock reggae, yeah, this a reggae music. Play like some play like some yeah, I'm on the road.
Yeah, it's none other than King James on the ones and twos. Better recognize.
I'm on the rock, and then I take a stop. I had to run like a fugitive to save the life I live. I'm gonna be iron like a lion in Zion. I'm gonna be iron like a lion in Zion. one more time. Come we go chant down Babylon one more time. Oh, them soft, yes, them soft. Them soft, yes, them soft. So come we go chant down Babylon one more time. Then see their dreams and aspiration crumble in front of their face, and all of their wicked intention to destroy the human race. How don't you know? And how I know, and that's how I know. A reggae music, come to chant down Babylon. The music, come to chant down Babylon. This music, come to chant down Babylon. This music, come to chant down Babylon. Come to chant down Babylon.
King James of King James Sounds.
Love to see when you're moving the rhythm. I love to see when you're dancing from within. It gives great joy to feel such sweet togetherness. Everyone doing and they're doing their best. It's a reminder of the days in Jericho, when we trodden down Jericho walls. These are the days when we'll trot through Babylon. On a tread until Babylon falls. Sing it on your. Yeah, yeah, yeah. How can you be sitting there telling me that you care? That you care? When every time I look around, the people suffer in the suffering in every way. In every way. Say, no, 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 no. We're the survivors. Yes, the black survivors. I tell you what, some people got everything. Some people got nothing. Some people got hopes and dreams. Some people got ways and means. No, 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 no. We're the survivors. Yes, the black survivors.
You are listening to a DJ like no other. A PhD in music selection.
In the light, in the light, in the love, sweet light.
You are listening to a DJ like no other. A DJ with a PhD in music selection.
In the light, in the light, in the light, in the love, sweet light. Coming in from the cold.
You're in the mix with King James.
Coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in from the cold. It's you, it's you, it's you I'm talking to. Well, you I'm talking to now. in his life. Oh, sweet life. Coming in from the cold. We're coming in and coming in and coming in and coming in. Coming in. Woo. Coming in from the cold. Until the philosophy which hold one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Everywhere is war. It's a war that until they're no longer first class and second class citizens of any nation, until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes. Miss a war that until the basic human rights are equally guaranteed to all without regard to race. This a war. Stiff-necked fools, you think you are cool to deny me for simplicity. Yes, you are gone for so long with your love for vanity now. Yes, you have the wrong interpretation mixed up with vain imagination. So take the sun and the moon and the rain and the stars and forever, yes, erase your fantasy, yeah. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright.
King James of King James Sounds.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing
and baddest DJ from Sierra Leone.
He goes by the name of King James. Yeah, it's none other than King James on the ones and twos. better recognize.
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. From the very first time I placed my eyes on you, girl, my heart says follow through. But I know now that I'm way down on your line. But the waiting feel is fine. So don't treat me like a puppet on a string. 'Cause I know how to do my thing. Don't talk to me as if you think I'm dumb. I wanna know when you're gonna come. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. 'Cause it's summer is here, I'm still waiting there. Winter is here, and I'm still waiting there. Like I said, it's been 3 years since I'm knocking on your door, and I still can knock some more. Ooh girl, is it feasible? I wanna know now, for I to knock some more. You see, in life I know there's lots of grief, but your love is my relief. Tears in my eyes burn, tears in my eyes burn, while I'm waiting for my turn. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman,
King James.
Old pirates, yes, they rob I, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Ooh, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Oh, have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yes, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs. All I ever have, redemption songs. These songs of freedom, songs of freedom.